Welcome back. Attacking the centre, Bahujan Samaj Party Supremo Mayawati criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi for not doing proper planning ahead of demonetization move. Mayawati said people who are suffering the most were poor labourers and farmers. She added that black money collected by the centre should be deposited in accounts of every poor in the country.
तो सबसे ज्यादा जब से केंद्र की सरकार ने नोटबंदी का फैसला लिया है, 8 नवंबर को लिया था, आज पूरे 37 दिन हो गए हैं। तो 37 दिनों के अंदर जो हमें पूरे देश से जगह जगह से रिपोर्ट मिल रही है, वो ये मिल रही है कि इस नोटबंदी से सबसे ज्यादा जो दुखी लोग हैं, पीड़ित लोग हैं, और जो सबसे ज्यादा जिन लोगों ने सफर किया है और अभी भी कर रहे हैं, वो 3 लोग हैं। एक गरीब है, एक मजदूर है और एक किसान है। तो हमारा यही कहना है कि जो आपने अभी ये जो काला धन इकट्ठा किया है, तो ये पैसा कम से कम उनके
The government allowed the junked rupees 500 and 1000 note to be deposited in bank accounts. Further, black money holders get last chance to disclose till March 2017 as the government has notified the amendment to the Income Tax Act and the black money disclosure scheme that will open from December 17 and can be availed till March 31st, 2017. Revenue Secretary, the information gathered under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana will be kept confidential, just like the earlier income declaration scheme, and will not be used for prosecution. Under the scheme, those depositing unaccounted cash will have to pay a tax of around 50% and 25% of the deposited amount will locked in a period of 4 years, which will not attract any interest rate.
इस योजना में कोई भी व्यक्ति या तो कंपनी, कोई भी एसएससी जो है, वो अपनी अघोषित आय का करीब 50%, 49.9% टू बी प्रिसाइज, 50% टैक्स, सरचार्ज एंड पेनल्टी भर के, और उसके बाद 25% अमाउंट डिपॉजिट के रूप में, 4 साल की डिपॉजिट जिसमें बिना इंटरेस्ट, बिना कोई सूद के डिपॉजिट रखनी है सरकार के पास।
जब तक 30 दिसंबर तक पुराने नोट कोई भी जमा करा सकता है, तो इसमें किसी के खिलाफ कोई ऐसा व्यवधान नहीं है कि फलाना आदमी नहीं करा सकता और फलाना करा सकता है। एनी बडी इन इंडिया कैन डिपॉजिट दीज नोट्स इन हिज अकाउंट।
30
दिसंबर के बाद रिजर्व बैंक के पास जा सकते हैं। वो नोटिफिकेशन जो शुरू में हुआ था, उसमें ये स्पष्ट किया गया था कि 30 दिसंबर के बाद रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में ये जमा कराया।
Union Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu has said that customers are at the center of planning and implementation of railway infrastructure. Speaking at the launch of Infras Circle in the national capital, he added that his main focus of his ministry is to work towards the customer's satisfaction. A report by VC Circle has said, adding that railway are now able to provide help and services to passengers in real time. The minister said that the ministry will depend on customers' feedback in order to improve its operation and delivery mechanism for passenger safety and satisfaction.
In the last 2 years, we have stepped up investment in the railways, which is at least 3 times more than what was there in the last 10 years average. So this is something very significantly higher. And the reason for that is we did not rely only on the traditional source of investment, which was only one, that's the budget from the finance ministry's gross budgetary support, but we went outside of it and started raising resources. And one of the key component of that has resulted in that the key component, of course, is the loans that we got from extra budget resources, and therefore we could step up investment.
Giving his own opinion on demonetization, Rashtriya Janata Dal chief Lalu Prasad Yadav said नोटबंदी का वही हाल होगा जो कांग्रेस का नसबंदी का हुआ. He further went to describe the plight of the common masses and the farmers, stating that the Modi government has brought about utter chaos with this move. Lauding the government's demonetization move, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan said no ordinary Prime Minister could have taken the decision to ban high-value currency note. Was it the decision on currency ban easy? Could any ordinary Prime Minister take such a decision? Like Modi ji thinks for the benefit of the nation, I believe only an able Prime Minister could have taken this step. Talking about the government Swachhata Abhiyan, Chauhan said earlier the people used to make fun of the drive, but now they have embarrassed it.
सीखी अडवाणी जी के सानिध्य में आए, अडवाणी जी से कई चीज़ सीखी जिससे बहुत प्रेरणा मुझे मिली और मोदी जी को जो काम करते हुए देखा, जो जिद जुनून और जज्बा नरेंद्र मोदी जी में है। देखो देश को बदलना है तो एक जिद से काम करना पड़ेगा। अक्सर लीडर फैसला करते हुए घबराते हैं कि इसका वोटों पे क्या असर पड़ेगा और वोटों का जब आप गुणा भाग देखते हैं तो आप में हिम्मत नहीं होती कि आप बड़े फैसले ले सकें, क्योंकि फिर आपको लगता है कि इनसे वोट तो नहीं खिसक जाएंगे। श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ऐसे नेता हैं जो देश का हित सोचते परिणाम।
Amid concerns of missing the goods and services tax rollout deadline of April 1st, the government today came out with a report card detailing the efforts being made to reach a consensus on report legislation for timely implementation of the new indirect tax regime. The GST Council, which took over the job of rolling out the new indirect tax regime after the parliament passed the constitutional amendment and half of the state ratified it, has been major decision of fixing tax rates, compensation to status and threshold of exemptions.
The decision with regard to the currency is concerned, I think it marks a very important beginning. My first response in a public engagement after this was that this decision, besides several other implications, marks the creation of a new Indian normal. Because the normal that existed for 70 years is an unacceptable.
Union Minister for Road Transport, Highways and Shipping Nitin Gadkari today urged the Telangana government to cooperate with the centre on irrigation projects across the state, asserting that Telangana has dedicated Rs 24,000 crore for the irrigation sector. He said that both the state and the centre can jointly fund various projects planned. Gadkari was addressing an Indian Road Congress in Hyderabad.
बहुत बार कोई काम करने में बहुत अड़चनें आती है क्योंकि लोग सीधा जानना चाहते हैं और इसलिए जो रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन वाले वो कहते हैं कि हमारा पानी से क्या संबंध है और पानी को हम लोग ब्रिज बनाना है, हमको नेविगेशन से क्या लेना देना है। इस प्रकार का आइसोलेटेड एक्सेंट्रिक अप्रोच इज नॉट गुड फॉर द डेवलपमेंट। वी शुड हैव ए इंटीग्रेटेड अप्रोच फॉर डेवलपमेंट। हमको इंटीग्रेटेड डेवलपमेंट के बारे में सोचना चाहिए और मैं आपको कहूंगा कि आपके राज्य में जाकर आपके मंत्री से ये बात कहकर आप इसके ऊपर अमल करने का काम करिए ताकि हम लोग हर ब्रिज का बंधारा बनाएं।
Not only Indian residents but the people of Nepal are also hit by the inconvenience caused by demonetization imposed by the government of India. Nepali men and women in large number were seen standing in long queues outside the Birganj branch of Nepal Rashtra Bank to withdraw Indian currency note. People across Birganj was withdrawal Rs 2,000 fortnightly after India scrapped all notes of Rs 500 and 1,000. Ever since Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced scrapping of note in November, Nepali economy has witnesses a downfall and the inflow of tourists has also come down. And yet another haul of cash in Mumbai. The police has seized 1.40 crore rupees from 4 persons on Juhu-Versova Link Road in Surabban, Andheri East. Evening, the senior police official said that the money was in a new currency of 2,000 rupee note. He added the cash was discovered when police stopped the car for checking. The official also revealed that they have informed the income tax department for the further investigations. That's all in this English bulletin. For more updates, keep watching HNN 24/7.